My name is Amy. I'm an RN, certified diabetes education specialist at Akron Children's Hospital. I've worked at Akron Children's for 18 years, with the last 10 being in the diabetes and endocrinology department. What drove me to this open position was by the year 2050, it is predicted that 5 million people will have type 1 diabetes, with approximately 600,000 of those being under the age of 20. When this position became available, I thought it was a wonderful opportunity to be able to be involved in such a large diagnosis. My role as a certified diabetes education specialist is when families are diagnosed, they come back into our office and undergo an intensive education program. Over the next year and ongoing, our team consists of nurses, doctors, nurse practitioners, social workers, and psychologists. This diagnosis is not just for the patient or the kid, but it's for the entire family. I am also involved in teaching families the basics of diabetes, but all the newest technology that's been available as the years have come across, such as continuous glucose monitors, which has been life-changing for not only kids, but for parents. Parents can now allow their kids to go to a friend's house for a sleepover, which is so life-changing for these kids and parents. Or a kid that was afraid to check their blood sugar because they thought that a friend might look at them differently now has a technology piece that makes life much simpler. It has been noticed as verbalized by the kids when they come in that said that this piece of technology alone, a continuous glucose monitor, has changed their lives so much. For instance, their 3-month blood sugar average has dropped by 30% in 3 months, just for a simple piece of an everyday of looking at a phone to know what their blood sugar is, to no longer having to stop, check a blood sugar, and then give their insulin. It's so rewarding to see the smiles on these kids' faces, and the parents for that matter, where a parent says, I can breathe a little bit. So this job is very rewarding. I love all of our families, our kids. They teach me something every day, whether it's something as simple as how do I eat a piece of pizza and cover insulin for it? Or as I ran a marathon today and my blood sugar was awesome. It's a very rewarding job, and I would not want to be anywhere else besides Akron Children's and the diabetes and endocrine department.